Hey, this is Chuck, and we are here at the job site that we are building our Genesis single kit today. It is, we work far. This project was an hour and a half from our shop. The guys got in around 7, did a bunch of, get ready in the morning stuff, and we left around 9 o'clock. So it is 11:30 on July 24th. We just got here. Back the truck and trailer into the driveway, and the guys are starting to unload everything, right? So everything you need to build this waterfall is on this truck. There's a pallet here, and on this standard pallet crate, the entire waterfall kit. All the rocks, the waterfall, the base, the cap, the whole bit. And then there's dye in there, there's plumbing, everything's ready to roll, right? We have a couple hand tools, we got a couple hand trucks. We only need one. You need a hand truck, a wheelbarrow, some sand, and some hand tools, right? That's pretty much what you need. Now, we brought our trailer, but you don't really need a trailer. But we have it, so why not bring it, right? So we got some hand tools in there, but that's pretty much it. Everything, one truck, 2 guys, 1 day. We're gonna prove it to you. We're probably gonna be out of here in less than a day, right? So stay tuned to watch our team pour this footing, build this Genesis single, and have it ready to rock and roll by today. So it's 4:45 p.m. This baby's a wrap. Genesis single kit, completely done. Cement work, plumbing, footings, everything totally complete. The guys are cleaning up and they're ready to roll. They're gonna be out of here by 5 o'clock. We got here at 11:30, which was an hour and a half ride from our shop, and we spent an hour or so loading up in the morning. So you got, with lunch, half hour for lunch each guy. That gives you 5 hours, 12 to 5, 2 guys, 10 man hours. 10 man hours on site, from in the truck to totally complete and ready to turn on.